We are Clean Meadow, a cow manure-based startup. Our company sells dairy peat, a substitute for peat moss, which is a soil-like substance used to grow plants. The U.S. peat market is currently valued at $300 million and is part of a specialty soil market that is constantly growing. Policies and regulations are limiting peat mining in the U.S. due to environmental impacts. As a result, peat production is declining in the U.S. The market for peat alternatives is growing as consumers demand new sources of sustainable potting mix. Our product is made from digested cow manure that comes out of an anaerobic digester on a dairy farm. An anaerobic digester is a container without oxygen, used to process raw cow manure. Digested cow manure is a low-value output of an anaerobic digester. Additionally, it has many qualities similar to peat, such as stable chemical properties, high porosity, and free of weeds and disease. Supply of digested cow manure is growing as adoption of anaerobic digesters grow. We will sell dairy peat to makers of plant growth mediums such as potting soil. Companies are finding a way to meet this demand by manufacturing potting soils with peat substitutes such as coconut fiber. Companies like Organic Mechanics have recognized the demand for a peat alternative and are expanding quickly. With increasing pressures on peat, companies will need to find suitable alternatives to replace this component of potting mix. In our interviews with potential customers, it was clear that there is a demand for dairy peat. Mark Hyland, CEO of Organic Mechanics, an organic potting soil manufacturer, says that they want dairy peat and confirms there is demand. As regulations are placed on the market, it places increasing pressure on manufacturing companies to find alternative sources for their potting mix. The UK has already banned peat in potting soils. In our conversation with SunGrow, a large-scale potting soil manufacturer, they said they are interested in using dairy peat for their products. Clean Meadow will offer dairy peat, a high-quality substitute for peat, to our customers with a 100% quality guarantee. Clean Meadow will open a processing facility in upstate New York close to dairy farms. We are currently seeking funds to begin the research and design process. We have formed a leadership team that is prepared and passionate to move this company forward. Clean Meadow, healthy soils for a healthy planet.